Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today we are preparing mince potato chops. The potato chops look so yummy and delicious. So let's get started with the ingredients. Potato mash ingredients, mince stuffing ingredients, dipping ingredients, and lastly the coating ingredients. Preparation. To prepare the potato mash, add pepper and salt to the mashed potatoes. Mix and set aside. To prepare the dipping, whisk the egg, cornstarch and water together. Set aside. To prepare the coating, mix the cornstarch and the breadcrumbs together. Set aside. Method to prepare the mince stuffing. Heat oil in the pressure cooker, add in the onions and fry until it turns translucent. Add in the salt, green chilies, ginger paste, garlic paste and dried fenugreek leaves. Fry until the onions are light brown. Drop in the tomatoes and fry well until the tomatoes turn soft. Add in the coriander seed powder, cumin seed powder, chilli powder, turmeric powder and garam masala. Fry well for a couple of minutes. Add in the mince. Fry well until it changes color. Drop in the green coriander, sugar, cardamom, nutmeg and vinegar. Continue to mix. Add quarter cup of water, close the cooker and cook for 1 whistle. Set aside to cool completely. Important, check that all the pressure has been released before opening the cooker. Open and fry on high heat until all the water has evaporated. Then set aside to cool. Add chopped mint, chopped green coriander and aromatic salt. At this point, adjust the salt, pepper powder and lemon as required to your liking. The method to prepare the mince potato chops. Oil the cling film and your hands. Take a lemon-sized ball of mashed potato, flatten it into an oval shape. Shape and flatten a lemon-sized ball of mince. Place it on one end of the flattened potato mash. Fold over the other end of the mash, remove any excess and seal the edges. Place in the fridge for 15 minutes. Brush with egg wash and coat well in breadcrumbs. Heat quarter cup of oil in a frying pan. Shallow fry on both sides until light brown or well fried. Drain on a kitchen towel to remove the excess oil. Enjoy! If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.